Cribin, Corndy and Penifan. This region has expansive open space with panoramic views for several miles. My name is Robert Reith and I am the lead ranger for the National Trust for the Brecon Beacons and Monmouthshire. I've been working in the Brecon Beacons for over 30 years now. I see this land as like one of my children. I want to help protect and preserve and see it grow. Every year we have over 350,000 visitors walking over 70 kilometres of access routes across the central Brecon Beacons. One of our biggest challenges is erosion from these fragile soils. I have one member of staff, one full-time volunteer, and we use about 120 volunteers throughout the year. We need to control the erosion to help protect the land. But the way things are now aren't quite what they used to be. With your help, we will continue to protect the landscape of the central Brecon Beacons for future generations.